Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 5th of August. Yesterday we did this analysis. We were looking for sales below this point. The need didn't happen. Buys, we're looking above this point, and we had this candle break above. So this was the entry for the buys. Stop loss just below this point, and the market went to take profit one. Went halfway to take profit two over here. Came down, and right now we're here. All right. So we need to see how is the continuity. How will the market continue to behave? Before that, we need to check on the fundamentals. We have ISM service reports today coming up at 5 p.m. And that's it. That's the major news for today. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to remove all the analysis, start a fresh new analysis and see where the market will be headed. Right? Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay. So again, we start price action. We look at the action that the price is taking based on support and resistance, the breakout trades. That's what we're looking at. Monthly resistance, monthly support, weekly resistance, weekly support, down to daily. Go down to daily. Daily is like it's forming a support, a resistance over here, but then it's not yet a resistance until this current candle is closed. Today's candle is closed. All right, so we're gonna go down to weekly now on 4 hours. So 4 hours, this makes total sense. That's a resistance over here. The resistance, and this is a support over here. This is a support area over here. All right. We go down to 1 hour, you realize that we had this area over here is a support, 1 hour support, but then it's like it's getting broken right now. So the market is breaking it as we speak. The market is actually breaking that level, right? So there's this. So let me zoom in over there. Yes, over here, this is what we're talking about. So below this wick over there, we had below the wick is this candle did not really close below, but then let's see. Now we need to wait for this one to close so that we can know how to go with it, because I would want to see this one close exactly at where this wick is. So the next one is starting. So I would like to see how this one behaves. Even if it's in the 30 minutes time frame, I'd like to see how it behaves, because definitely this one is a nice formation of a support over here. Push down support formation, then a break of the support, and then continue on the downside. Actually could take a trade as well from that point with low risk, stop loss just above this point over here, and continue pushing down. Take profit one and two. All right. Okay. I know it's already passing. You don't need to rush to chase it. We will have other trades to come, definitely. So don't get twisted. Don't get it twisted. Probably at that point. All right. So this one, you could do an impulse entry. Sell, stop loss above this point over here. Anticipate the market to push down to this point. And if it has more pressure, it will push to the points. But again, honestly, I would want to see even if it's a 15 minutes candle close, just see how it closes. Let's see, did the 5 minutes close? Yes. All right, good. Okay. Yeah, we could execute a sell from that point over there. In terms of the buys, the buys. Yeah. So go down, of course, we have these levels that you should also consider. See these levels of rejections over here. Those places that the market has been rejected over there. All right, over there, something like that. Like that. I would try to pick buys from below this point. Oh boy. I'd like to take buys from this point. Yep. Like take buys from that point and sells from this point. Potential sells like that. Long position over here goes to that point first, but we expect a profit 1 year. And of course, we expect also a rejection of this point like that. That is before we break above and start pushing, finding other orders outside there, all right? Stop loss for this one will be just below that point, like this, all right? So again, let's keep an eye on this. Let's see how this market happens. I'm already on the sells. I already jumped into the sells. Let's see how the market goes, okay? All right. Trade what you see, not what you think. Risk manage your trade well, and let's see you tomorrow. We do a revision of the same, all right? Take care and bye-bye, everybody.